Bienvenidos! Welcome to Lingo Mag, a channel for English speakers who want to learn Spanish in a fun and interactive way. Today we're going to learn the alphabet, el alfabeto, el alfabeto. And we are going to learn vocabulary, vocabulario, vocabulario. So for each letter of the alphabet in Spanish, we're going to learn at least one word that begins with that letter. If you're learning Spanish, please subscribe to the channel. There will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Empecemos. Amor, love. So let's repeat the pronunciation of the word. Amor, amor. Another word with this letter that's also very useful is antes, which means before. Antes, antes. Next letter, B, B. And the word is bueno, which means good or also okay. Bueno, bueno. C, casa, house, casa, casa. And there's a very similar word that's also very useful, which is cosa, cosa, and this is thing. So a word that you can use in multiple situations, cosa, cosa. Next, decir. That's the verb to say. Decir, decir. Ella, él. She or he. So she is ella, ella. He, él, él. F, fin, end. Fin, fin. G, gracias, a very important word, thanks. Gracias, gracias. H, hacer, and that's the verb to do. Hacer, hacer. The important thing here to remember is that when the H is at the beginning of the letter, it is not pronounced in Spanish. So just pretend it's not there when you're talking. It's just hacer. There is absolutely no sound for the H in this position. I, idea, idea. So it's spelled exactly the same way as idea, but pronounced differently. Idea, idea. J, jarro. This is a jar and it has that double R, which is very strongly pronounced. Jarro, jarro. K. Now, there are really not many words in Spanish that begin with this letter, and they are usually words that are used in English as well. So one example is kilo, just the same as kilo, kilo, kilo. Another one is kiwi. So as you see, they're just the same word and pronounced very, very similarly. Kiwi. L, limón. That's lemon. Limón, limón. Remember that when you see that little accent on top of a letter, that means that that is stressed. So you have to pronounce that syllable stronger. It's not limón, it's limón. Limón. M. Mano. That's your hand. Mano. Mano. N. No. That's another very useful word. No. No. Another useful word with N is nada. That's nothing. Nada. Nada. Next letter is ñ. So this is the one that doesn't exist in the English alphabet. And there are very few words that start with this letter. So it's very common to find this letter in the middle of a word in Spanish, but not very often will you find it at the beginning. Now, one example of this is ñandu. Ñandu. So it's one of the very few useful words that start with ñ. Ñandu. Ñandu. O. Ojo. Your eye. Ojo. Ojo. P. Poder. And this is the verb to be able to or can. Poder. Poder. Q. Querer. And that is to want something. Querer. Querer. R. Recordar. And that's to remember. Recordar. Recordar. S. Sí. Another very useful word. Yes. Sí. Sí. T. Tiempo. That's time. Tiempo. Tiempo. U. Último. The last one or the last of something. Último. Último. B. Vida. That's life. Vida. Vida. W. Whiskey. So again, there are not many words in Spanish that begin with this letter, and they're usually the same as in English. Like this one, whiskey. Another example is wasabi. X. Xylophone. Xylophone. And again, there are very, very, very few words in Spanish that actually start with this letter. It's more common to find it in the middle of the word, just like the ñ, but definitely not at the beginning. So I actually struggled to find this one. Y. Yo. That is I. Yo. Depending on where people are from, Spanish speakers that is, this sound, the Y, will have different pronunciations. So you may hear something like yo or yo or yo, but they are all the same thing. It just varies slightly depending on the region. And the last one, Z. Zapatos. That's your shoes, for men or for women, zapatos. And also, very similar, zapatillas. Those are your trainers or sneakers. Zapatos, zapatillas. Now, let's quickly repeat all of them. Amor, bueno, casa, decir, ella, él, fin. Gracias. Hacer. Idea. Jarro. Kilo. Kiwi. Limón. Mano. No. Nada. Ñandu. Ojo. Poder. Querer. Recordar. Sí. Tiempo. Último. Vida. Whisky. Wasabi. Xilofón. Yo. Zapatos. Zapatillas. If you'd like to get some free extra online practice, you can head over to my website, lingomag.com. There you will find an exercise I've prepared to help you learn and further practice this topic. The particular link to this video's exercise will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hasta pronto!